Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today I am making Inchies. This is for the Gina B. Aaron's Design Team Challenge for March, and to be honest, I have never made Inchies before. I always felt like, and I still kind of feel like, though they're cute, they are cute, that an artist trading card is the smallest you need to go. But I know there's people that make art that's like smaller than a dime. You know, people make small art, it's just not my thing. Anyway, so I am taking on the challenge and we're going to make some Inchies here using some of Gina's products. These are Dilutions paints that I'm just smushing onto some it's mixed media paper. I'm pretty sure it's mixed media. It's either mixed media or Bristol. It's pretty smooth paper, but it's very stiff, so it will take a lot. I'm just going back and forth, just trying to cover up all the white. It's not pre-gessoed, so it's soaking in pretty good and not moving a lot. Alright, but I figured since they're only going to be like an inch, you won't see much, so we're just going to make this busy. And this is one of her stencils. I will leave links to her Etsy store where you can find these products. Also a link to her blog where you can go to see the other design team members' projects for March. She updates it about once a week, so hopefully it'll be all updated. And this is one of her stencils as well. And I'm really just trying to calm down all the craziness, bright, crazy colors I got going. And I did make this after Valentine's, but after I finished putting all the color down, I was like, these would be fun making some wonky shaped hearts. Don't you think? Yeah, I think so. I have a little bit left over because Inchies don't take much space, but I'm going to make a few of them and send them off to the other design team members. I will be getting ones from them, and so I will share them on my Instagram and on my Facebook page. So if you're interested, my link tree is below and it will show all my social media sites. So here we go. I didn't want to do the very end because it's pretty boring, so I cut off that spot, and there's what I'm going to turn into Inchies. So I'm just cutting them at an inch. So the words really aren't words at this point, unless I get that the all in one. Nope. Well, yeah, kind of. But you can't, I think in the end you can't really tell what it is. There we go. Oh, and one more. Okay. So they obviously need more on them, and I have this kind of graphic stickers that I got in the dollar bin at Michael's like 2 years ago, and figured I'd put something bold and graphic on there just to make it more interesting. I felt like that was covering it all up. I'm just gonna do one little strip. There we go. And I just cut out the different pieces and stick them on. And now we need something else, and we need something distinctly Gina, right? So I took her bird stamp, which I will also link below, so you can go to her Etsy store, and I stamped it on paper, all the little birds, and then I shrunk them and copied them onto sticker paper. And so now I'm just coloring them with my Prismacolor pencils, and I went with the yellow and orange. I mean, I know that is the bird colors, but it's also contrasting to the colors, sort of, to the colors I've already painted down so that they'll stand out really well. And yes, that other bird is one of my stamps that I made. A handmade stamp. I just wanted to copy it too. But he's way too big for my little Inchies. it might be ATC size. Alright, coloring them all the same color is kind of tedious, so I cut it. And then I cut them all out, leaving a border because she's got lots of little details on her birds. And we're just going to stick them on. And I hope this is Avery's label sticker paper. Hopefully it's nice and sticky because I did not add glue. So hopefully it will hold. Sorry, I'm off screen there a little bit. I was struggling getting that sticker off. I just go through each one trying to decide what I want to put on there. Which one would work the best. And I shrunk them so small that her little birds are teeny, teeny birds. And they are also, like, I have one stickery one and the others were not on sticker paper. So we're just going to take a little glue and stick them down. Okay, so I pulled out my Tumult's sticker letters, but I really couldn't find anything that I wanted to put on there that wasn't going to take up every space there was. So I decided instead I would write words on there. You don't see it here, but I think you see it in the final photos when I write the words, because I was just going to leave them without words, and then I decided they needed some words. Oh, so I also wanted something to put on the back, so I carved me a little stamp that says Shelley, or She-Lee. Anyway, kind of wonky stamp, but it was fun. It's been fun stamping that on things. I didn't show you how because I have to get my face right on top of it so I can see. Alright, so here are all the little Inchies. I hope you like that. Don't forget to check out the links down below so you can see all the different videos from her on her blog. See, there you can see the words. And if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Love to hear your comments. And if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.